The Swadeshi movement, a chapter from our history books, is back in the spotlight. Why? Well, because while tariffs fly across the Pacific and Trump raises the heat, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has fired back. Not with counter tariffs, but with a call to conscience. Swadeshi 2.0. On 2nd of August, Modi urged traders to fill their shelves with only Indian-made goods, calling it a service to the nation. His message was clear. If India wants to become the world's third largest economy, it must first believe in its own products.
देशवासियों के अंदर एक भाव जगाना होगा और वो है हम स्वदेशी का संकल्प लें। अब हम कौन सी चीजों को खरीदेंगे, कौन से तराजू से तोलेंगे? मेरे भाइयों बहनों, मेरे देशवासियों, अब हम कुछ भी खरीदें तो एक ही तराजू होना चाहिए। हम उन चीजों को खरीदेंगे जिसे बनाने में किसी न किसी भारतीय का पसीना बहा है।
And just like that, a century-old movement roared back to life, rekindling memories of a time when spinning wheel and Swadeshi pride shook the foundation of the British Empire. Let's rewind to the year 1905. The British had just announced the partition of Bengal, claiming that it was too large to govern. But Indian leaders saw through the smokescreen. It was divide and rule, plain and simple. By splitting Bengali Hindus and Muslims, the British hoped to fracture the growing wave of nationalism. Swadeshi emerged as their response. Its core idea was bold and simple: boycott British goods, embrace Indian-made products. But it wasn't just about economics, it was about identity, dignity and defiance. During the movement, British goods, especially textiles, were boycotted. Indian industries like handlooms, khadi, soap and matches got a new lease of life. Indigenous institutes like schools, colleges, banks, businesses, they sprouted across the country. Culture turned political. Literature, theatre, songs like Vande Mataram stirred hearts and minds. The impact was immediate. British merchants panicked as sales plummeted. From Bombay to Madras, Punjab to Uttar Pradesh, the Swadeshi wave swept across the land. This was rare unity. Students, women, artisans, peasants, urban elites all joined in. For the first time, India's freedom struggle had gone truly mass. So what did the Swadeshi movement do to the Indian economy? Cottage industries thrived, local entrepreneurship bloomed, traditional skills and crafts got a fresh lease of life. Socially, it became a movement of pride, a reminder that Indian hands and Indian machines could power the nation. Swadeshi also became a catalyst for Swaraj, that means self-rule. Once Indians realized that they could defy British products, the next step was defying British rule itself. But the British did not just take this lightly. They retaliated with arrests, censorship, divide and rule politics. They stoked communal tensions to break Hindu-Muslim unity. Internal rifts in the International Congress between the moderates and radicals further weakened the movement. By the year 1908, the first wave of Swadeshi lost momentum. Despite its national spirit, the movement fractured under British tactics and internal divisions. But even after the initial wave faded, Swadeshi stayed in India's bloodstream. Mahatma Gandhi later turned it into a lifestyle through khadi, the spinning wheel and non-cooperation. Every independence movement that followed carried Swadeshi at its core. Even post-1947, India's push for local industry echoed its legacy. Swadeshi was never just about products. It was about self-reliance, pride and purpose. Back then, it challenged British rule. Today, it aligns with Modi's flagship campaigns. Make in India, Atmanirbhar Bharat, vocal for local. This time, the focus isn't on boycotting foreign goods. It's about boosting Indian products in a globalized world. But the emotional core remains the same. Pride in local skills, empowerment through self-reliance, economic strength as a national strength. So the next time you pick a Made in India product, remember, you're not just shopping. You're taking part in a 120-year-old movement that once shook an empire and today powers a nation.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to Mirror Now.